Welcome to Car World, where we bring you the most exciting and high-performance machines on the planet. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2025 McLaren Senna, a car designed to push the boundaries of aerodynamics, speed, and precision engineering. The Senna is a true embodiment of McLaren's racing DNA, a machine built with one purpose: to dominate both the road and the track. Starting with the exterior design, the 2025 McLaren Senna is an aggressive masterpiece sculpted by aerodynamics. Every panel, vent, and curve serves a purpose, enhancing downforce and optimizing airflow. The front fascia is razor sharp, with a massive front splitter that channels air efficiently under the car. The LED headlights are sleek and minimalistic, seamlessly blending into the aerodynamic contours. Large air intakes on the sides ensure optimal cooling for the high-performance powertrain. One of the most striking elements of the Senna's exterior is the active aerodynamics system. The rear wing is massive, towering over the car to generate extreme levels of downforce. This wing isn't just for show, it actively adjusts to optimize grip, braking, and stability at high speeds. Complementing the wing is a dramatic rear diffuser, working in unison with the flat underbody to keep the car planted to the ground. The McLaren Senna's body is crafted almost entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, keeping the car's weight to an absolute minimum. The aggressive side skirts and rear fenders enhance aerodynamics, while the ultra-lightweight wheels wrapped in high-performance tires ensure maximum traction. The doors, featuring a unique dihedral design, open upwards for a dramatic effect while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. When it comes to performance, the 2025 McLaren Senna is nothing short of a track-focused beast. Powering this hypercar is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a mind-blowing amount of horsepower to the rear wheels. McLaren has refined the engine for even sharper throttle response and improved cooling, allowing the Senna to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds. The combination of its lightweight construction and high-output engine results in a power-to-weight ratio that rivals dedicated race cars. The Senna's suspension system is engineered for precision and control, featuring McLaren's advanced race-active chassis control. It constantly adapts to provide maximum grip and stability, whether on a tight corner or an all-out straight. The car remains incredibly composed. Braking is equally impressive, thanks to the carbon ceramic brake system that provides jaw-dropping stopping power. Looking at its history, the McLaren Senna is named after the legendary Formula One driver Ayrton Senna. Known for his fearless driving and relentless pursuit of perfection, McLaren designed this hypercar to honor his legacy by creating a machine that embodies his racing spirit. Since its introduction, the Senna has been a benchmark for extreme performance and track-focused engineering. The 2025 model builds upon this legacy, incorporating the latest advancements in aerodynamics and technology. In terms of features, the McLaren Senna is loaded with innovations that enhance performance and driving engagement. The active aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and race-inspired suspension make it one of the most exhilarating cars to drive. Every element of the Senna is designed with one goal in mind: delivering the ultimate driving experience. The 2025 McLaren Senna is a hypercar unlike any other. Its aggressive exterior, race-inspired aerodynamics, and blistering performance make it a true masterpiece of engineering. McLaren has once again proven that it is at the forefront of automotive innovation, delivering a machine that is as thrilling as it is uncompromising. This isn't just a car, it's an experience, pushing the limits of what a road-legal track car can achieve. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 McLaren Senna. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more high-performance automotive content. Thanks for watching Car World, and we'll see you in the next episode.